Route grouping. Let's just discuss route grouping. Route grouping is basically when we combine lots of routes with the same prefix. Okay, let me just give you an example. For example, I'm creating some routes. Let's say, for example, in our case, for example, admin/user, and then we'll pause the closure, then echo admin user. Okay, and then we'll just copy this and paste several times. For example, this is admin user, admin profile, and then admin/settings. This is profile. Okay, so if you just go to browser and then visit them, admin/profile, okay, it works, admin/user, and then admin/settings. Right now, the problem is basically the admin is repeating many times, so simply we can create route. Okay, Laravel provides the route grouping. So simply we say route prefix and then admin. The prefix is admin at the moment, and then we can simply say group them, and then yeah, we'll pause the closure and we'll just keep all the routes inside this group, right? And then simply we need to remove this part from here. Okay, it doesn't matter you keep slash or not, but it's a good habit if you just keep slash here. So if you just go ahead and reload the page, okay, there is error in our application somewhere. If we just put semicolon here and reload the page, there we go. Okay, settings, user, and for example your profile. Okay, that works exactly the same way. Basically this is a good idea to, if you just put slash here and then let's create a new route, for example, and then echo admin panel, for example, and if you just say admin here, okay, I think there's a problem with our semicolon. That's pretty important. Here we go. Okay, so this was basically a route grouping. You can group your route. For example, if you have admin, you have contact slash user contact, admin contact, like that, right? So routes are basically the group would help you to, you know, avoid for example many times adding prefix in your routes, right? So I hope you understand this, and in the next video we might discuss more about routes. So see you in the next video.